Good day everyone, I'm Flordelis Albarangan. I'm going to report about the Chapter 1 Information System in Global Business Today. How does the new Yankee Stadium looks to the future? First, the background of the Yankee Stadium. It is the major baseball league, not only game but business as well. Revenue from tickets to games, televisions, broadcast, and other sources to pay for teams. Many fans now watch games on television rather than attending them in person or choose other forms of entertainment such as electronic games. One way to keep stadiums full of fans and to keep fans at home happy as well is to enrich the fan experience by offering more video and services based on technology. Based on the business models used by Yankee Stadium, the management monitor games and ticket sales, then revise the strategy. Then the organization redesigned Yankee Stadium, redesigned workflow and job functions, and expand sales channels. And the technology they use is to implement HDTV, implement touchscreen technology, implement interactive website. By using information system, they display game coverage over new media, provide new interactive services, provide online information to fans, which increase their revenue as business solutions to their business challenges. The challenges they have faced was the new sources of competition, declining customer base, and increasing costs. The conclusion is, it is also important to note that these technologies change the way the Yankees run their business. Yankee Stadium system for delivering game coverage, information, and interactive services. Change the flow of work for ticketing, seating, crowd management, and ordering food and other items from concessions. These changes had to be carefully planned to make sure they enhance service efficiency and profitability. How information systems are transforming business. First, it increased in wireless technology use to websites. Second, increased business use of Web 2.0 technologies. Then the cloud computing, mobile digital platform allow more distributed work, decision making, and collaboration. Then the globalization opportunities. Internet has drastically reduced cost of operating on global scale. Lastly, presents both challenges and opportunities. The role of information system in business today. The role of information system in business today. In the emerging fully digital firm, significant business relationships are digitally enabled and mediated core business processes are accomplished through digital networks. The key corporate assets are managed digitally. The digital firms offer greater flexibility in organization and management. Then time shifting and space shifting. Growing interdependence between ability to use information technology and ability to implement corporate strategies and achieve corporate goals. Business firms invest heavily in information systems to achieve six strategic business objectives, such as operational excellence, new product services and business models, customer and supplier intimacy, improved decision making, competitive advantage, and the survival. Operational excellence, improvement of efficiency to attain higher profitability. Information systems, technology an important tool in achieving greater efficiency and productivity. New product services and business models. Business model describe how company produce, deliver, and sells product or service to create wealth. Information system and technology a major enabling tool for new product service and business models. Examples, Apple's iPad, iTunes, iPhone, iPad, Google's Android OS, and Netflix. Customer and supplier intimacy. Serving customers well leads to customers returning, which raises revenues and profits. Example, high-end hotels that use computer to track customer preferences and use to monitor and customize environment intimacy with suppliers allows them to provide vital inputs, which lowers cost. Improved decision making, more accurate data leads to better decisions. And competitive advantage, delivering better performance, charging less for superior products, responding to customers and suppliers in real time. Then survival information technologies, as necessity of business may be, industry level changes like Citibank's introduction of ATM, governmental regulation requiring record keeping. The interdependence between organization and information technology in contemporary systems. There is a growing interdependence between a firm's information system and its business capabilities. Changes in strategy, rules, and business processes increasingly require changes in hardware, software, databases, and telecommunications. Often, what the organization would like to do depends on what its system will permit it to do. What's new in management information systems? New technologies, cloud computing, big data, Internet of Things, mobile digital platform, management. Managers use social networks, collaboration, business intelligence, applications accelerate, virtual meetings proliferate, organizations, social business, telework gains momentum, co-creation of value, collaboration across firms. Globalization's challenges and opportunities, a flattened world. Internet and global communications have greatly reduced economic and cultural advantages of developed countries. Drastic reduction of cost of operating and transacting on global scale. Competition for jobs, markets, resources, and ideas. Dependence on imports and exports. Requires new understandings of skills, markets, and opportunities. In the emerging fully digital firm, all of the organization's significant business relationships with customers, suppliers, and employees are digitally enabled and mediated. Core business processes are accomplished through digital networks. Key corporate assets are managed digitally. Greater flexibility to survive in turbulent times is ensured. Information system set up interrelated components collect, process, store, and distribute information, support decision making, coordination, and control. Information versus data. Data are streams of raw facts. Information is data shipped into the meaningful form. Functions of an information system. An information system contains information about an organization and its surrounding environment. Three basic activities: input, processing, and output produce the information organizations need. Feedback is the output returned to the appropriate people or activities in the organization to evaluate and refine the input. Environmental actors such as customers, suppliers, competitors, stockholders, and regulatory agency interact with the organization and its information systems. Information systems are more than computers. Using information system effectively requires an understanding of an organization management and information technology shaping the systems. An information system creates value for the firm as an organizational and management solution to challenges posed by the environment. Levels in a firm business organization are hierarchies consisting of three principal levels: the senior management, middle management, and operational management. Information system serves each of these levels. Scientists and knowledge workers often work with the middle management. Organizational dimension of information systems. First, separation of business functions, then sales and marketing, human resources, finance and accounting, manufacturing and production, unique business processes, unique business culture, organizational politics. Management dimension of information systems. Managers set organizational strategy for responding to business challenges. In addition, managers must act creatively in creation of new products and services and occasionally recreating the organization. Technology dimension of information systems. Computer hardware and software, data management technology, networking and telecommunications technology, networks, the internet, intranets and extranets, World Wide Web, IT infrastructure, provides platform the system is built on. Business perspective on information systems. Information system is instrument for creating value. Investments in information technology will result in superior returns. Productivity increases, revenue increases, and superior long-term strategic positioning. Business information value chain. Raw data acquired and transformed through stages that add value to the information Value of information system determined in part by extent to which it leads to better decisions, greater efficiency, and higher profits. Business perspective calls attention to organizational and managerial nature of information system. Variation in returns on information technology investment. Although on average investments in information technology produce returns far above those returned other investments, there is considerable variation across firms. Investing in information technology does not guarantee good returns. Considerable variation in the returns firms receive from system investments. Factors like adopting the right business model, investing in the complementary assets, organizational and management capital. So what is an information system? An information system can be defined technically as a set of interrelated components that collect or retrieve, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization. In addition to supporting decision making, coordination, and control, information system may also help managers and workers analyze problems, visualize complex objects, and create new products. Technology UPS competes globally with the information technology. UPS has created its own information system with Delivery Information Acquisition Device or DIAD and Web-based Post Sales Order Management System OMS. Globally, by using developed information technology, this special system helped the company to reduce the cost of transaction greatly, but building its efficient order information management system. UPS can make optimal routing strategy, place orders online, and track shipments to meet a customer's needs. These information systems guarantee the possibility of two-day delivery nationwide, as well as lower warehousing and inventory costs for the company. What are the inputs, processing, and outputs of UPS package tracking system? Inputs. The inputs include package information, customer signature, pickup delivery, time card data, current location, and billing and customer clearance documentation. Processing. The data is transmitted to the central computer and stored for retrieval. Data is also reorganized so that it can be tracked by customer account, date, driver, and other criteria. Outputs. The outputs include pickup and delivery times, location while en route, and package recipient. The outputs also include various reports such as packages for a specific account or a specific driver or route, as well as summary reports for management. What technologies are used by UPS? How are these technologies related to UPS business strategy? Technologies include handheld computers or diodes, barcode scanning systems, wired and wireless communication networks, desktop computers, UPS central computer, large mainframe computers, and storage technology for the package delivery data. UPS also uses telecommunications technologies for transmitting data through pagers and cellular phone networks. The company uses in-house software for tracking packages, calculating fees, maintaining customer accounts, and managing logistics, as well as software to access the World Wide Web. What strategic business objectives do UPS information system address? Some problems in this information system solves relate directly to the logistics and supply chain activities, not just for itself, but also for other companies. This service includes supply chain design and management, freight forwarding, custom brokerage, mail services, multimodal transportation, and financial services, in addition to logistics services. Because of the advanced integration of technology, UPS can provide the service cheaper and more efficient than the most companies can create them in-house. Operational excellence. UPS has maintained leadership in small package delivery services despite its stiff competition from FedEx and the US postal system by investing heavily in advanced information technology. What would happen if UPS information system were not available? Arguably, UPS might not be able to compete effectively without technology. If the technology were not available, then UPS would, as it has through more of the history, attempt to provide that information to its customers but at higher prices. From the customer's perspective, these technologies provide value because they help customers complete their tasks more efficiently. Customers view UPS technology as value-added services as opposed to increasing the cost of sending packages. It incurs most costs slow in providing information to customers, slow operation, slow in fencing customer information. It isn't just technology, a business perspective on information systems. Managers and business firms invest in information technology and systems because they provide real economic value to the business. The decision to build or maintain an information system assumes that the returns of these investments will be the superior to the investments in buildings, machines, or other assets. These superior returns will be expressed as increases in productivity, as increases in revenues, which will increase the firm's stock market value, or perhaps a superior long-term strategic positioning of the firm in a certain markets, which produce superior revenues in the future. Contemporary approaches to information system. The technical approach. The technical approach to information systems emphasizes mathematically based models to study information systems as well as the physical technology and formal capabilities of these systems. The disciplines that contribute to the technical approach are computer science, management science, and operations research. Behavioral approach. An important part of the information system field is concerned with the behavioral issues that arise in the development and long-term maintenance information systems. Issues such as strategic business integration, design, implementation, utilization, and management cannot be explored usefully with the models used in technical approach. Other behavioral disciplines contribute important concepts and methods. Psychology, economics, and sociology are the discipline under behavioral approach. A socio-technical perspective on information system. In the socio-technical perspective, the performance of a system is optimized when both the technology and the organization mutually adjust to one another until a satisfactory fit is obtained. Improving decision making using databases to analyze sales trends. Effective information systems transform data into meaningful information for decisions that improve business performance. In my MIS lab, you can find a store and regional sales database with raw data on the weekly store sales of computer equipment in various sales regions. Example is shown below, but my MIS lab may have a more recent version of this database for this exercise. The database includes fields of store identification number, sales region number, item description, unit price, units sold, and the weekly sales period when the sales were made. Develop some reports and queries to make this information more useful for running the business. Try to use information in the database to support decisions on which products to restock, which stores and sales regions would benefit from additional marketing and promotional campaigns, which times of the year product. Improve decision making. Many business managers operate in an information fog bank, never really having the right information at the right time to make an informed decision. Instead, managers rely on forecast, best guess system luck. The result is over or underproduction of goods and service, misallocation of resources, and poor response times. This poor outcome raised cost and lost customers. In the past decade, information systems and technologies have made it possible for managers to use real-time data from the marketplace when making decisions. That's all for my report. Thank you for listening.